Wait, who's Lucas? Who's Lucas?
Huh?
Who's Lucas?
Yeah.
Who is he?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is he?
Me?
No, who is he? Who is he?
I don't know.
Lucas.
Lucas.
Who is he?
Lucas.
Who is Lucas? Your what?
My boyfriend.
Oh, well, how old is he?
3.
What color hair does he have?
White.
White? Are you sure he's 3?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it. Oh, okay. Have any other boyfriends?
Hi, have a nice day.
Do you?
Yeah.
Who?
How's it going?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
You don't have any other boyfriends?
I can't know our names.
Yeah. How many do you have?
A couple.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, say bye.
Mail.